Welcome to Plus. In this video I will show you how to see installed mods in Palworld. To do that, from Palworld screen, title screen, click options, then select mod management. And here are the mods that are installed. To enable disable it, just check or uncheck them and press save button. The game might restart. And also this option should be turned on. Enable mod should be on. Then the selected mods will work. Okay, so this was one way. Quit the game. Open Steam app. Go to library and then Palworld. And then select workshop option from the menu. These are the mods for the Palworld. So at this page, click your items. And below that, click subscribed items. So these are subscribed items or installed mods for me in Palworld. To uninstall these mods, just click unsubscribe and the mod will be gone. To see the details, click add the mod and here are the details, and subscribe or unsubscribe from here, and under that will be the instructions to use the mod. So this is how you can find mods and uninstall the mods or see how many mods you have installed in Palworld. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.